What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to bring him out to the ramp and perform 3 of your favorite grapple attacks in WWE 2K26 showcase. Completing this objective is very easy. First of all, send Shawn Michaels out of the ring and then take him toward the ramp, and the ramp is near the ring, so we just need to take Shawn Michaels here. After that, take your opponent on his feet and then grab him by pressing B on Xbox, circle on PlayStation or L on PC. Once you have him in the grab, then either press X or A on Xbox, square or cross on PlayStation, J or K on PC. So you just have to press one of those keys and then he will perform the grapple attack. Then we just have to repeat the same attack again. So just press B to grab, then either press X or A to perform the grapple attack. Now it's time for the final move. Again wake him up and then press B or circle, then perform the heavy attack or light attack button, and then the objective will be successfully completed. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.